1830s te American missionaries khan jitia Nagaland te enter hoise. By 1842 aru 1913 la beach te almost sob Nagas khan Christianity te convert hoi jaise. Aru first baptized lua manu khan to hoile 15 members thakise. Year 1872 December 22 la din te Molung Kimong namla au manula village te 15 jon manu para baptize loise. Aru history te Nagaland la bitorte Christianity te convert hoikina baptize loa to hoile tai khan hi first thakise. Naga history te sobse beshi interesting laga kotha to hoile Britishers khan ke loikina thakise. Britishers khan India ke 1757 para rule kura shuru korise. Tai khan India la almost sob jaga ke control kuri thakise. Aru control kuri kina Assam side la Guwahati ke bi control kuri loise. Hoile bi tai khan Naga hills te enter hi kuribole para nai. Aru reason to Nagas khan headhunter hoa nimite. Mane Naga hills te enter nakura agete